So here's what it sounded like recording with the camera's microphone when I first moved into the studio. If you saw my last video about the Aki keyboard, then you've already kind of seen this whole setup, but I wanted to show you in a first person kind of perspective what's going on with the new setup in the new room, the new apartment. And here's what it sounds like now with the foam panels installed. Okay, this is an audio test with the foam up in the studio. Big difference. Like I said, I can just hearing myself talk in this room, it doesn't sound like it's this small, and it doesn't sound like it's lined with lead paint, which is just not good in general, health-wise. But it is so much better in here, and the echo is minimal. You may even be able to tell the difference just from listening to me here. The Blue Yeti does a great job at suppressing background noise, especially in cardioid mode, but even so, I still have to compress and tweak audio levels after the fact. I'm doing the same thing right now in this video, but I can very clearly discern between the two. The audio before the panels still had a slight echo, and I know that those of you with high quality headphones could definitely tell. At this point, I'm being held back by my microphone more than anything else, but now even just hearing myself talk sounds completely different in this closed off room. Reverb is minimal, lows are crisp, and my voice stops exactly when I want it to stop, something I wasn't accustomed to before.